if I get a solve under 2 minutes, donate $1 please. And if I get a solve under 1.5 minutes, donate $2 please. And if I happen to get a solve under 1 minute, please donate as much as you can.
You guys heard that? So it's a very creative way to do fundraising for a good cause. So he is gonna, where's your Rubik Cube? Okay. So if he can, anybody can come here and challenge him. And then if he can solve it for under 2 minutes, donate $1. If you can solve it for under 90 seconds, donate $2. If you can solve under 60 seconds, please donate as much as you can. And we are going to come around and then collect the money throughout the program. So any challenger? Okay.
Wow, 我们把这个表准备好啊，谁有计时？
Who's the timer?
Who has the timer?
Do we have, who has an iPad or iPhone or any kind of iDevice?
Yeah.
It's Silicon Valley. We should have someone here.
还得有人见证这个世界纪录啊，有人记录的还得。OK， 好。Julius 不仅会打鼓啊，还会玩国防。
Scramble it as much as you can, because we got a young genius here. Let's all put our hands together to give a little bit of a welcome and encouragement to William. Okay, you ready? No, quiet? Okay. And then he needs concentration, so let's be very quiet.
我们的 timer 准备好了没有 ？OK。
Go.
Wow. 53秒。
53 seconds.
Actually, you know, it's 50 seconds probably.
Oh my
because, you know, when he
gosh.
stopped.
Isn't that amazing?
50
Oh
seconds.
my. Okay, so I wonder, who are the parents for this talented young boy?
Wow.
So, come on up, come on up.
来。